Theta United States dollar medium-term support especially remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The especially current exchanging volume of Theta organization sort of is at $18,682,658 in an exceptionally large manner. Theta organization truly is as of now esteemed at $1.02 bull control Theta's truly current cost activities, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. 20 January 2024, in this video we will sort of walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what essentially is momentary cost expectation for Theta organization, certainly is Theta by and large wise speculation. Or so they most certainly thought. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly is very huge. Yet, prior to jumping truly profound into the Theta specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us discuss the sort of current economic situations in an essentially large manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,634,390,721,246, exhibiting how market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,634,390,721,246, which really is genuinely critical. In every practical sense, complete exchanging volume truly remains at $57,055,176,489 in a by and large enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $41,526.35 level after a vertical development of 0.52%, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Theta specialized examination, especially let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they especially thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.66%, coming to $2,466.35 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $314.73, following a value change of 0.19% inside a similar time period, which basically is very critical. Solely in every way that really matters, local coin of Solana for the most part is somewhere near 2.93 and as of now exchanging at $91.67 in an extremely enormous manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 55 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0% in esteem, which truly is very critical. These occasions generally show that the market explicitly is going in an especially descending heading for sort of momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market and in every practical sense, significant way. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become essentially more really dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move pretty dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how 20 January 2024. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some things, facts, what generally is transient cost expectation for Theta organization, truly is Theta an essentially wise speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, certainly is at $1.02, up 2.49% in the beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 3.59% over the course of the week, which especially is very critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 18,682,658.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $1,019,427,675 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. There especially are very nearly 1 billion basically are available for use out of 1 billion, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for 20 January 2024, inside a kind of day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, which sort of shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC in every way that really matters is 18,682,658.00 United States dollars, while genuinely complete market cap came to $1,019,427,675 United States dollars, which truly is very critical. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to really examine the future development of the Theta organization, or so they basically thought. The Theta United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, truly is demonstrating a present moment, especially sell truly signal, as the MACD line essentially is moving beneath commonly signal line which generally implies truly bears truly are ruling in the market in a kind of significant way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and basically is attempting to generally break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally is 18,682,658.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $1,019,427,675 United States dollars in a genuinely large manner. Theta for the most part has a certainly the closest opposition of $1.04, sort of additional appearance how Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for 20 January 2024 inside a day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath, which really shows that one-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 18,682,658.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense. All-out market cap came to $1,019,427,675 United States dollars in an essentially significant manner. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would basically help the upturn energy, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.81% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $1.08, showing how RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and essentially is attempting to generally break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC is 18,682,658.00 United States dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $1,019,400,000